Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the topic of class 9 science, atom and molecule, and this important topic is isotopes. So atoms of same element have same atomic number but different mass number. So element same होगा, उसका atomic number भी same होगा, but उसका mass number अगर different है तो उस pair को हम isotope बोलेंगे. For example, there are three isotopes of hydrogen. One is known as protium, deuterium and tritium. Now all of them can have the same symbol H. Atomic number will be the same 111. In case of protium, mass is 1. In case of deuterium, mass is 2. In case of tritium, mass is 3. So define isotope: atoms of same element. Atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. Now why mass number is different? Because all these possess different number of neutrons. In first case 0 neutron, in second case 1 neutron, and in the next case 2 neutrons. One more example of isotope is carbon. So carbon having atomic number 6. In both the cases atomic number is 6, but in one case mass is normal 12 and in another it is 14. So having same atomic number but different mass number is called as isotope. Similarly, chlorine. There are two isotopes of chlorine. Atomic number 17, atomic number 17. One is having atomic mass 35, other one has 37. So define isotopes: atoms of same element have same atomic number but different mass number.